Okay, to get started on my pinto beans, I've got my Dutch oven. I've got my beans I've been soaking. These are pinto beans. I rinse them and let them soak in warm water. I just want to transfer them to my Dutch oven. When you do it like this, it helps keep the grit and stuff at the bottom that you might have missed when you rinsed them off. Okay, I got them all. Okay, now I want to add, I've got my bacon grease that I've been saving. I got a spoon. I want to add about 2 spoonfuls of bacon grease and just kind of drizzle it all over. This adds so much flavor to the beans. So good. After I do the bacon grease, I want to add, I just sprinkle, I don't measure, just salt, some pepper, garlic powder. You just kind of sprinkle a little bit of that. And then also onion powder, and just sprinkle some. Okay. Now I want to add some water. It's probably about 5 cups of water. Okay, it's ready to go on my burner. I like to turn it on like medium high till it starts boiling, and then I will turn it down. I like them to simmer all day long. So I'll bring you back and show you what they'll look like when they start simmering. This is when it's just starting to boil. It's starting to get really hot. You want to cover the beans about a couple inches on top of the beans. You might have to add some water during the day if it evaporates. You can also use chicken broth to make it more flavorful, but I just use the water. Okay. I'm going to turn it down a little bit, and I'll bring you back. Okay, my beans have been cooking for an hour and a half. And some of the water has evaporated. I'm going to stir it. So I want to add a cup of hot boiling water. I just want to keep an eye on it and keep checking on them. Thank you. And now I'm going to taste them to see if I needed to add anything to them. Now I'm going to start letting them thicken up. I'm bringing them back to a boil, and they'll thicken up. I'm going to add some more salt and some more pepper. And I'll show you what they look like when they get done. Now I'm going to show you what they look like after they thicken up. See how thick? Look good. Those are ready to eat. We've got beans, cornbread, fried fried potatoes with onions, macaroni and cheese. Looks delicious. Thank y'all for watching. Have a great day. Stay warm out there.